how long does it take from the point when you get your biometrics notice in the United States? This is pretty much a question that has to do with people who are applying for adjustment of status. So when I get my biometrics notice and I go and give my fingerprints, how much longer after that would I typically get a work permit? And this is a really good question. And obviously, everyone's waiting on the work permit. You got to pay for stuff. Life's happening. If you've come over on a fiance visa, you're anxiously awaiting the ability to, participate in life. And I totally get that. So typically, as a lot of people are led to believe, because a lot of times you'll do your biometrics and then after that you'll get your work authorization, people think there's some kind of connection with a time frame. But we would usually actually count from the date that you filed your adjustment of status. So when you're trying to predict how long is it going to take for me to get my work permit, the best thing to pay attention to is on what date did my application arrive at the office that I filed it with. So you file those applications by mail. What date did it arrive? You should have hopefully mailed it with tracking. And obviously, if you're working with us or another attorney, it's been mailed with tracking, so we know the exact date it arrived. And then, historically and under the law, it says that you're supposed to get that work authorization in 90 days or under 90 days. Lately, it's been delayed. It's been a weird year. It's been a weird 4 years. There's a lot going on in immigration. So the work permits have been delayed for longer than 90 days. In a lot of cases, we've seen people waiting 4 months or 5 months or 6 months to get those work permits. And there's a way to check the current processing time at uscis.gov to see, based on the local office and things like that, kind of what the time frame is. But so what you really want to be paying attention to is once you filed your application and it was at least 90 days ago, as long as they're not waiting on you to respond to any requests for evidence or anything like that, then that means you're in that zone where you could really expect that card to arrive anytime. So it's a matter of time, matter of waiting. I know it's difficult, but that's what we look at. So it really doesn't have anything to do with the timing of your fingerprinting, and that's really just going to vary by office. It does tend to go in that order, though, that first you'll get that, and then obviously they're going to need your biometrics to print your card, but there's not a time correlation specifically with that step.